Max.
I was so worried.
Max, come here, boy. Max! Max! Where are you? Max! Emergency wildlife rescue? My dog's being attacked by a snake!
We're on our way, sir.
Trank, gun ready, nets out.
He's just in there. I saw him go behind those rocks. We have to move. Get the net over the body now.
I've got the head. Keep it steady. Watch the tail. It's thrashing hard.
He's still breathing.
Stretcher secured. Watch his head.
Vitals are stable for now. Sarah, we're ready.
All right, patching through to the vet clinic now.
We're losing time. Clear the way to surgery.
It's okay, Max. Hang in there, boy.
He's safe now. He'll make it.
Oh, Max.
I was so worried.